everyone, and in this video here today we are actually going to be unboxing the iPad 10th generation, and this is it here, the box. And then when you flip it over, you can see it is the 64 gigabyte iPad 10th generation. It's Wi-Fi, and here is all the information on it on the back, and it includes the iPad USB-C charger cable and the USB-C power adapter. It also shows what's not included, that you can get additional and everything else. But yeah, again, here's all the information on it, and we're going to unbox it here now. On the top here, as well as the bottom, you have to remove these strips. You just peel them like this. And then you do the same on the bottom. Then you will flip it back over and the cover should come right off. And then here it is inside the box. It has this protective seal on it. So you just pull on this down here to remove the protective seal. Here's the back. And we ended up getting the silver. And this is going to be the family iPad. Pretty well for both me and my husband, and as the baby gets older. And on the bottom, iPad, designed by Apple in California. A little bit of information. Then in the box underneath the iPad, you will lift this here. And that is where the charging block and cable are too. And inside of here, you will find some Apple stickers, some tips on your iPad. See inside here, welcome to iPad, just how to start it up. But here is the charging block here. And here is the cord. Here is the back of the iPad. You have the camera. It says iPad, the iPad logo, the speakers here on the bottom. Here's one side of the iPad, the top of the iPad. There's a button for turning it on and off. And then you have this side of the iPad where there's two more buttons. You push and hold the button on top, which will turn on the iPad. Push and hold the button on top, which will turn on the iPad. You'll see the Apple logo, and then it will go into showing hello in all the different languages. Next, you will go down here to swipe to open. So you're going to swipe up. You're going to pick the language. You're going to select your country. You can choose how you would like the text and icons to look on the iPad. You have default, medium, and large. For us, we're going to do default, and then you're going to hit continue. Next, it gives the option of quick start. It's looking for nearby devices, so you can bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad to sign in and set up, or set up without another device. Next, it will bring you to the screen to choose a Wi-Fi network, and you will just enter your password for that Wi-Fi network if that is the way you so choose to set up your iPad. Once you do that, it comes up the screen. It may take a few minutes to activate the iPad, but again, this is if you decide to hook up your iPad through the Wi-Fi versus through your Apple device. Next, you're going to be brought to this screen for data and privacy. You can just read the following information, learn more, hit continue if you wish to continue, and you'll be brought to this screen that says set up iPad. You can set up this iPad yourself or for a child in your family. Child accounts can be created by a parent or legal guardian for children 12 and younger, which is great and very convenient for as our daughter gets a little older. So for now, we're going to select set up for myself, just because she will not be near this iPad for a long time yet. And by then, we might have a new iPad. So set up for myself and, well, my husband. Next, you'll be brought to this screen that says Touch ID. Use your fingerprint in place of your passcode or Apple ID password for purchases. You can set up Touch ID later or hit continue. We're gonna set it up later. Next, you'll be brought to this screen to create an iPad passcode. Once you enter it, it will ask you to re-enter your passcode again. Once you enter your passcode twice, it will bring you to this screen that says transfer your apps and data. Get your existing apps and information like photos, notes, and reminders onto your new device from iCloud backup, from another iPad, from Mac or PC, from an Android. Don't transfer anything. We're going to select don't transfer anything. You will then be brought to this screen where it asks for your Apple ID. You can sign in with an email or phone number to use iCloud, the App Store, and other Apple services, or other sign-in options, which is near the bottom. You can select that as well. Then you will be brought to this screen where it says update your iPad automatically, and you can hit continue or only download automatically. You then can hook up location services if you like. You can set up later or turn on location services. Next, you can set up Apple Pay if you like and add a credit, debit card, store cards to Apple, things like that. So you can hit either continue or set up later. You can also set up Siri if you like. You can hit continue, set up later. All this right now I'm just going to set up later just because I want to quickly get through this just to show you. Screen time, get a weekly report with insights about your screen time. You can hit continue, set up later. iPad analytics, help Apple improve its products and services. You can share with Apple or don't share. Next, you can do the light or dark display. Select light or dark appearance. Here's if you set it to dark. And then here is auto. And I think I'm actually going to set it to auto. You can hit continue. Welcome to iPad. Get started. And there you go, everyone. That is the unboxing of the iPad and how to go about setting it up. And that is everything. And this is what the screen looks like. Here are some apps, like I said, it comes with. Some of these I've never heard of before. I don't even have some of these on my iPhone. And the bottom. But again, that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye now.